What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Hot Action Fishing and Fab. My name's Curtis and this is my channel. Well, I don't know how to tell you. Long story short, I don't know what happened to my GoPro footage, but I already gel coated my boat a while back and filmed the whole thing. And well, for some reason my I don't know, the computer, whenever I play the SD card on my computer, the footage isn't there. So I decided that, you know what, I'm just going to paint my seats. They need to be painted anyways, they're kind of messed up. So I'm going to paint my seats, and I'm going to show you guys how to gel coat fiberglass, which these are fiberglass seats, just like the boat. So it's going to be the same exact process. So I already did this one really quick, so an example, here it is. But yeah, I'm going to gel coat this seat here now, using the same exact process. I'm repeating myself, same exact process that I used to gel coat the airboat. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do it with only using a paintbrush. So it's most hillbilly way you're going to get around webbing your boat. So well, here we go. Alright, what I'm going to be mixing up here to do these seats like that one, this gel coat, like I said, I lost all the footage to the video of me painting my boat. I had all the, I was showing you guys how I mixed all that gel coat up, but I started out with a white gel coat and just started adding colors to it. And I think I added green and yellow, if I remember right. And that's what the color that I came up with, a whole bunch of green. Believe it or not, I was trying to go for a dark green and came out with that like seafoam green looking color, blue, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is take my gel coat. I got a little mixing cup, little yogurt cup, my MEKP, and this here brush. And this is literally all I'm going to use to paint that seat there. I got it all sanded down, wiped down with acetone. I'm going to mix up my gel coat in 1 second. After I get done laying this base color inside this cup right here, I'm gonna lay this on, paint the whole seat that color. I'm gonna mix in this this blue color, and I'm gonna make it a really dark blue, because as you see, like the splatters is like a darker blue. Well, I use the same exact gel coat, and just mix up, just adding in that blue, and use that to splatter the paint onto the seats. So let me get this one started, and I'll turn the GoPro on. You guys can watch me do that seat. I have a little tiny bit of gel coat down there in the bottom of the jug still left, or in the bottom of the can still left. Now I'm going to take my my little pigment, and mixed in a whole bunch of this pigment into the bottom of the can, and now I'm going to mix it to a nice dark blue. Of course the wind's picking up, so it's gonna get leaves all on my paint job. But you see the paint? It's nice and dark blue now. Now I'm gonna take my my paintbrush that I was just using. Take my paintbrush. I know this is not right at all probably, but it's gonna do what I need it to do. And just mix my paintbrush inside there. And now I'm just gonna come across and just kind of whip that, just kind of give it a like that, and now have that design that I'm looking for. Just like that. Eventually, I'm gonna go get some black, and I'm gonna add some black in there. I want to get some black dots on there too. All right, here's my black. I'm gonna mix some black in there now. Didn't take much black to take that gel coat and turn it black. So there's the black. Once again, all I'm going to do is just take my paintbrush, just dip it in here, and just start going around. Alright, and there you have it. Like I said, I went in there. Well, I edited all those videos of me doing all the fiberglassing on the airboat. When I got to the gel coating part of it, that's when I realized that I had none of the footage. So I rushed out here to do this video for you guys, so you guys have some sort of a gel coat video, kind of like wrap up the airboat, what I'm showing you guys in the build of the airboat. Like I said, all I did is that was white gel coat, non-wax. It didn't have any wax in it. I mixed it all up, and this is leftover gel coat that I made when I painted the airboat. Mixed up the gel coat, added the wax to it, and then I pigmented it. Added my hardener. Took my one single paintbrush. I only used one paintbrush, and it's not perfect, not at all perfect. There is brush marks and stuff in it, but I don't really, it's gonna be just fine. It's on my airboat. My airboat's all rolled and brushed on anyways, so it's gonna match my airboat just fine. So one that's a little bit different, that's gonna look off, is when I did my airboat, I spray webbed it. And if you guys want to watch me show you how to mix up spray webbing and stuff, do like the web with the gun, I have another video when I did my Johnson skiff build. I have a whole video of me doing non-skid, gel coating, rolling out the whole boat with gel coat, and then mixing up paint or gel coat to do a webbing with the gun. It looks a lot nicer, it's a lot more consistent, but when you're limited on tools, you don't have anything really to work with, air compressor, gun, spray gun, all that stuff, this works perfectly fine for it, and it looks pretty sweet. The last two boats that I've built, besides the Johnson, I use this method to do the non-skid, because I haven't really done like a perfectly finished boat. I've never wanted to sand that much in my life, so that's going to take hours and hours and hours of sanding to do a perfect. So I just use this webbing slash paint splatter design in order to hide my imperfections of my tabbing material and the fiberglass where you fix some spots and stuff. This will hide a lot of it, on top of just rolling out with a roller. That'll hide a lot. and then doing the paint splatter over top of that will make it almost unnoticeable. So I wanted to show you guys, oh look at that, there's a leaf, damn leaf, I'm not going to touch it right now. Wanted to show you guys that, you know, lay the gel coat in, did the splatter paint, and well, this is what we ended up with. Looks really sweet, happy with the way it came out. Gonna get inside, edit this video so I can get it put up on the YouTube. Thank you guys again. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate it, guys. If you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you did subscribe. Thank you all. But you guys have a wonderful week. Thank you.